Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When it comes to protecting yourself on the road, a dash cam is one of the smartest investments you can make. From recording traffic incidents to capturing scenic drives, these compact devices offer peace of mind and reliable evidence when you need it most. In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best dash cams available right now. Whether you're looking for crystal clear video quality, night vision, parking mode, or a budget-friendly option, there's something here for every driver. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check those out for the latest deals and detailed specs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review or tech tip. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Transcend DrivePro 10. Enhance your driving security with the Transcend DrivePro 10. A compact and powerful front-facing dash cam designed for every car owner. Featuring a SmartBest high-sensitivity image sensor, this device delivers sharp, high-resolution video both day and night, ensuring every moment on the road is clearly captured. With a 1440p resolution and up to 1080p Full HD recording at 60 frames per second, you can zoom in with confidence and capture critical details like license plates. The 140 degrees wide-angle lens provides excellent coverage of the road ahead, giving you a broader and safer field of view. Built with Wi-Fi connectivity, the DrivePro 10 lets you stream and download footage directly to your phone using the exclusive app. Number 4. Kawa 4K Dash Cam. Experience the road like never before with the Kawa D8 Dash Cam, your all-in-one driving companion. Featuring stunning 4K front and 1080p rear dual cameras, it captures every moment in crystal clear detail, day or night. Thanks to the Sony SmartBest IMX415 chip and f1.8 aperture, even low-light footage is sharp, making license plates and pedestrians visible when it matters most. Take control hands-free with voice commands to capture photos, lock videos, and manage Wi-Fi or audio without lifting a finger. The 3.16-inch IPS screen and H.265 video format delivers smooth playback while saving storage space. Plus, with loop recording, your dash cam continuously captures your journey by automatically overwriting old footage. Emergency clips safely preserved. Stay connected via built-in Wi-Fi and the Kawa Auto app. Watch real-time footage, download videos instantly, and enjoy OTA software updates with no data usage. Integrated GPS tracking lets you monitor speed, location, and time, ideal for insurance claims and roadside emergencies. Number 3. Nextbase 622 GW 4K Dash Cam. Introducing the Nextbase 622 GW, the ultimate dash cam engineered for premium protection and performance. Capture every detail in ultra-clear 4K at 30 frames per second, with optional recording in 1440p at 60 frames per second or 1080p at 120 frames per second for stunning slow-motion playback. Paired with a 1080p rear camera, you'll enjoy complete front and rear coverage for total peace of mind on the road. Thanks to image stabilization, shaky footage becomes smooth and crystal clear. Ideal for capturing license plates and signs with absolute precision. The advanced night vision and extreme weather mode let you see through fog and low-light conditions, making the 622 GW your reliable companion in any situation. With built-in 3 words, pinpoint your exact location even without data. Perfect in emergencies. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel Dash Cam. Introducing the VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel Dash Cam, a powerful triple-channel camera system designed for full coverage protection of your vehicle, inside and out. Equipped with Sony SmartBest 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors, this dash cam delivers ultra-clear 4K front, 2K rear, and 1080p interior video resolution. Perfect for everyday drivers, rideshare professionals, and road trippers seeking top-tier video clarity. Experience exceptional night vision 2.0 and HDR on all 3 lenses, capturing crisp license plates and rich detail in every light condition, even complete darkness, thanks to its upgraded infrared cabin recording. Whether it's daytime traffic or late-night rides, the A229 Pro has you covered. Enjoy full control without distractions using 12 voice commands and clear voice notifications. Switch cameras, take snapshots, or adjust settings, all hands-free. Number 1. Thinkware U1000 Wi-Fi Dash Cam. Experience next-level driving protection with the Thinkware U1000 Dash Cam, designed for complete front, rear, and interior coverage. With cutting-edge 4K UHD at 30 fps or 2K QHD at 60 fps, it captures crystal-clear video, making license plate recognition effortless, thanks to the powerful 8.42 MP Sony Starvis sensor. A 150-degree wide-angle lens ensures maximum visibility without distortion, while Super Night Vision enhances low-light clarity for round-the-clock recording. Whether you're driving through city streets or parked overnight, the U1000 has your back. Stay worry-free with anti-file corruption technology, reducing the risk of lost footage and ensuring long-term reliability. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.